guys, it's your girl Kinky Cakes and I am back with another lit vid. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the Cakes Club, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Kinky Cakes. If you didn't know, now you know, so subscribe. Welcome back to another video, you guys. So as you can see today, CurlsCurls sent me this lovely wig. Chill, you can't tell me this ain't my natural hair. Period. So if you want to know how I achieved this look within 3 minutes, then definitely keep on watching, and the link to this wig will be in the description box down below. If you're not really into this one, they have plenty of other options that are natural, giving African queen, giving Miss Ma'am, giving beautiful natural girl. So yeah guys, this is perfect for just an everyday wig that is very much low maintenance. Man, it was just so easy to achieve this look. All I needed was water mixed with conditioner, some mousse as well. So I'm not gonna waste any time. Without further ado, let's get straight into it.
Making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
So this is the final look. As you guys can see, I am so obsessed. It was so easy, so quick. This wig is so convenient. I can't wait to rock this every day. And when people ask me, is that your real hair? I'm gonna be like, yes. Yes it is. Yes it is. But anyways, thank you so much to CurlsCurls for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested, make sure to check out the description box down below for the link to the hair. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please follow me on my socials, my Instagram at Kinky_Cakes, my TikTok at Kinky cakes. Please also follow CurlsCurls on their social media platforms. They will be down in the description box. And lastly, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more lit content. Until next time, you guys, love and light.